Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of the CLA Degree College. So I am your mathematics lecturer Shivraj K. Daru. So in the previous class we have studied the unit that is the cylinder. So in that we have studied about the definition of a cylinder and also we have seen the equation of a cylinder. So in this today's class we will see some problems on the cylinder. So here it is your first problem. It is find the equation to the cylinder whose generators are parallel to the line x by 1 equal to y divided by minus 2 equal to z divided by 3 and passing through the curve that is x square plus 2y square equal to 1 and z equal to 0. So this is the given question. So they have given here that is the cylinder whose generators are parallel to the line. So generators parallel to the line equation is x by 1 equal to y divided by minus 2 equal to z divided by 3 and also they have given the curve passing through the curve that is x square plus 2y square equal to 1 and the condition that is z equal to 0 here. So we will find the equation of the cylinder now. So first we will consider the given line. So the given cylinder whose generator lines are parallel to the line. So we will consider the line here. The line is x by 1 equal to y divided by minus 2 equal to z divided by 3 and we will denote this as a equation 1. So this will be your equation 1 and next what we will do, we will consider the equation of the given curve here. So that is equation of the given curve is x square plus 2y square equal to 1 and z equal to 0 and we will denote this as a equation 2 here. So next what we will do, we will consider a point that is let x1, y1, z1 be any point on the cylinder. So as well as in the equation of a cylinder we have also considered that is x1, y1, z1. So here in the problem also we will consider a point on the cylinder that is x1, y1, z1 be any point on the cylinder. So these are the any point on the cylinder. So we have known these values of the cylinder that is let any point x1, y1, z1. So the equation of the generator line will be x minus x1 divided by 1 equal to y minus y1 divided by minus 2 equal to z minus z1 divided by 3. To here we will put z equal to 0. So here it is. We will put z equal to 0 in equation 3. So in the equation 3 we will put the z value as 0. So as well as in the general equation of a cylinder we have also taken z value as 0 because the condition given is z equal to 0 here. That is x minus x1 divided by 1 equal to y minus y1 equal to y minus y1 divided by minus 2 equal to 0 minus z1 divided by 3 here. So next what we will do, we will compare this first equation and last and second and last here. So that will be x minus x1 divided by 1 equal to minus z1 divided by 3 and also y minus y1 divided by minus 2 equal to minus z1 divided by 3 here. So now what we will do here, we want the values of x and y here. So we want the values of x and y. So what we will do, we will take this x1 and 1 in the RHS side. That will be x equal to 3x1 minus z1 divided by 3 and y equal to 3y1 plus 2z1 divided by 3 here. So by taking this x1 and 1 in the LHS side, so that will be x equal to, that is by taking the LCM, that will be 3x1 minus z1 divided by 3 here. So similarly we will take here, that is we will keep y here and we will take that y1 in the y1 and this minus 2 in the RHS side. So that will be 3y1 plus 2y1 divided by 3y1 plus 2z1 divided by 3 here. So next what we will do here is we will put the values of this x and y in the given curve. We will put the x and y values in the given curve, that is x square plus 2y square equal to 1 and condition is z equal to 0. So in this we will put the values of x and y. Here it is. So if you put the values of x and y in the given curve, that will be 3x1 minus z1 divided by 3 whole square plus 2 into 3y1 plus 2z1 divided by 3 whole square equal to 1. So now we have substituted the x and y values in the given curve equation. So next what we will do, we will take this 3 common. So here it is square. So if we take this 3 outside, that will be a 9, because here it is square. So that will be 9. So by taking the 9 common outside, we will multiply the 9 with this RHS term. So that will, your equation becomes now 3x1 minus z1 whole square plus 2 into 3y1 plus 2z1 whole square equal to 9 here. So next what we will do, we will change this x1, y1, z1 value as x, y, z now. So we will change this x1, y1, z1 values as x, y, z. So that will be 3x minus z whole square plus 2 into 3y plus 2z whole square equal to 9. So now we will split this as a minus b whole square formula. So here also we will use this a plus b whole square formula. Then the equation will be 9x square plus z square minus 6xz plus 18y square plus 18z square plus 24yz equal to 9. So by taking the 9 in the LHS side, that will be 9x square plus 18y square plus 9z square plus 24yz minus 6xz minus 9 equal to 0. So this will be your equation of a cylinder. So this is about the first problem. So the next problem is here, that is find the equation to the cylinder whose generators are parallel to the line, x by 1 equal to y divided by minus 2 equal to z divided by 3, and passing through the curve, here passing through the curve, that is 2y square plus z square equal to 1 and x equal to 0 here. So in the previous problem there it was z equal to 0, so here it is x equal to 0, and the equation generators are parallel to the line. So this is the line is line of the equation is same here. So given line is x by 1 equal to y divided by minus 2 equal to z divided by 3. So this is equation 1. So next, and the curve. So they have given the curve equation as, that is 2y square plus z square equal to 1 and x equal to 0. So we will denote this as a equation 2 now. So next what we will do here is, next we will put, let x1, y1, z1 be any point on the cylinder. So we will take the points x1, y1, z1 on the cylinder. Now the equation of the generator line will be x minus x1 divided by 1 equal to y minus y1 divided by minus 2 and equal to z minus z1 divided by 3. So we will denote this as equation 3 now. So we have considered a generator line, that is x by 1 equal to y divided by minus 2 equal to z divided by 3. So when the points x1, y1, z1 lies on this line, then it will be x minus x1 divided by 1 equal to y minus y1 divided by minus 2 equal to z minus z1 divided by 3. So we will denote this as a equation 3. So next what we will do here, so in the condition they have given, that is x equal to 0. So we will put x value as 0 in equation 3, that is put x equal to 0 in equation 3. So that will be 0 minus x1 divided by 1 equal to y minus y1 divided by minus 2 equal to z minus z1 divided by 3 here. So next, now we will compare these two equations, first and second equation and first and third equation. So here it will be y minus y1 divided by minus 2 equal to minus x1 and z minus z1 divided by 3 equal to minus x1 here. So we want here now the values of y and z to substitute in the given curve equation. So that will be y equal to y1 plus 2x1 and z equal to z1 minus 3x1 here. So by taking this y and z value, we will substitute in the equation 2 here. So this is the equation 2, this is the equation of a curve. So we will substitute here, that will be 2 into y1 plus 2x1 whole square plus z1 minus 3 into x1 whole square equal to 1. So now the point x1, y1, z1 changes to x, y, z now. So your equation will be 2 into 2x plus y whole square plus 3x minus z whole square equal to 1. So by changing the points, that is x1, y1, z1 to x, y, z, so your given curve equation becomes, that is 2 into 2x plus y whole square plus 3x minus z whole square equal to 1. So next we will use here formula, that is a plus b whole square. So here we will use a minus b whole square. So that will be 2 into 4x square plus y square plus 4xy plus 9x square plus z square minus 6xz equal to 1. So we will take that 1 in the LHS side, that will be, and we will multiply this 2 in this bracket, that will be 8x square plus 2y square plus 8xy plus 9x square plus z square minus 6xz minus 1 equal to 0. So this is now equation. So now here we will add 8x square plus 9x square, that will be 17x square. Now that remaining will be 2y square plus z square plus 8xy minus 6xz minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of a cylinder. So this is about the two problems. So in the next class we will also discuss some more problems on this equation of a cylinder. So thank you. We will continue in the next class.